Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the pedestal that comes with the Q60B series QLED TV from Samsung. It's important that you have two people, especially if you're dealing with the size like this of 65 inches. Your first step is going to be to take it out of the box, obviously, leave that plastic wrapping material on it, and then you're going to lay it face down on a flat surface. And here we are looking at the only things necessary to put the pedestal together. It's just the legs. There's no tools necessary at all for this process. If you want it set up in the low profile position, just leave this tab facing down. If you want to set it up to put a soundbar in front of the TV, all you have to do is flip that tab up and it'll lock into place there. The nice part about these pedestal legs is that they can go on either side. So once you decide whether you're going to do it in the low profile or the pedestal version, you're going to line up these ridges with these two, well, three, I guess, bolts here that are coming out of the back, and then you slide it up, and then once you hit this part where it's flush, you're going to want to keep pushing so that it slides up into place. Now this we have in the low profile position, so you're going to see this little empty space at the bottom. If you have it set up for a soundbar, it's going to fill in the rest of this gap here. So there's no tools necessary. It's a super easy install, whether you're setting it up for the soundbar or whether you're setting it up in the low profile position. Thank you, Samsung, for making it so simple. Thanks to you guys, as always, for watching, and we will see you in the next one.